किया है। ये दुनिया गम तो देती है। क्या बात है। ये दुनिया गम तो देती है, शरीके गम नहीं होती। किसी के दूर जाने से मोहब्बत कम नहीं होती।
What's up guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to Kuwait. My beautiful car is right here. I've landed in Kuwait for my jewelry exhibition. कुछ दिन पहले मुंबई में there was this beautiful event which my sister went, जहाँ पे मैं अपने sister के साथ गया था. It was in Fairmount Hotel in Mumbai. This is a vlog basically that you're going to love watching my sister more than watching me. तो enjoy करिए and yeah, मैं तब तक घर जाता हूँ. अभी सुबह के 5 बज रहे हैं यहाँ पे. So finally getting home. सीट बेल्ट पहन लेता हूँ फटाफट. It's 4:25 in the morning right now. And the flight was amazing. 3-3.5 घंटे की flight थी. It was not bad at all. Smooth landing, smooth takeoff. And yeah, I'm going to just go home and crash. Get ready for the day. And then of course exhibition कल से है. Mom is reaching from Saudi Arabia tomorrow afternoon. I'll see her tomorrow. Rather today actually. And yeah, from tomorrow the jewelry exhibition will be on for about a week. And then I leave Kuwait on the 27th. So let's rewind a bit. Let's get back to Mumbai and enjoy the vlog from there. And then we'll come back here. Set for the event. और ये जो event हो रहा है ये फेयरमाउंट में हो रहा है in Mumbai of course. Hello. मैंने देख लिया था तेरे को. देख लिया था मैंने.
Ladies and gentlemen, she has been the recipient of Rajiv Gandhi Award twice, Dada Saheb Phalke Award, and very recently, 2021 and 2022, her series Aria won the award for Best Drama Series at International Emmy Awards. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming on stage the actor, entrepreneur, philanthropist, and a mother to 2 beautiful daughters, none other than Sushmita Sen.
Okay, Janeman, here's the thing. Namrata, if my Bapi Dadu, my grandfather, my mother's father, जब मैं उनके पास डर डर के गई कि बापी इंडिया कभी नहीं जीता है. So I don't know if it's something that can happen. It is very rare that in your lifetime you're getting a shot at doing something that has never been done. Now, if you get it right, you make history. How many people get a shot at making history? So go there, shaan se haro harna hai to. Lekin compete knowing if you win, you make history. Wow. I have one here.
What does it say?
Yeah, it is in Latin.
Okay.
It says Ot Viem, Inveniem, Ot Vadiem, which means I'll either find a way or make one. No is not an option.
Wow.
So it's a great reminder. It's a great reminder because मैं जब भी सोचती हूँ, परेशान होती हूँ, तो मेरी आदत है मैं ऐसे सोचती हूँ. आपकी सबसे बड़ी ताकत, I believe, जो मैं प्रैक्टिस करती हूँ, कि I am is enough of an introduction. कि मैं यहाँ से हूँ, मेरा खानदान ये है, मैंने इतनी accomplishments achieve की हैं life में, मेरे पास इतने पैसे हैं, none of it matters because it's all transient. The only thing that is true from the day you're born till you're done is I am. You are here, you're present through the good, through the bad, through all of it. You are present and you're 100% committed. So this is the power of each of us. It's in knowing it's not just collective, but that each person, the I am quotient allows them to be all powerful. आपको दिल में जो आए, अगर आप मेहनत करते हैं, you can achieve it. And that is what this represents.
That's beautiful, beautiful depiction of I am.
Only greatness. And I have seen that from a panwala to a president. जिसमें वो बात है to stand against the tribe. Because बहुत सच्चाई है इस बात में कि rejection always comes before acceptance. Rejection में जब हम हार मान लेते हैं तो acceptance देख नहीं पाते. But the minute you can hold on to rejection long enough, acceptance 100% follows. I can speak from my own life experiences. My definition of companionship is to be two complete people who come together and build a life together. And there is no gun to anyone's head. You may choose to leave, you may choose to stay. Must always remember you're free to do both.
Absolutely.
So that's my definition of it.
If your life were a movie, what would the title be and who would play you?
If there was a movie based on my life, I'd call it Made in India.
Made in India. So, one actor you loved working with in the entertainment world?
Oh, without a doubt, Shah Rukh Khan.
Shah Rukh Khan, the King Khan.
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, everybody. You speak from the heart. I don't feel that there's a celebrity sitting there. There is somebody whom all of us can relate to. So I have seen this right from the time from '94 when I saw you on TV. Today I'm seeing you face to face.
How old were you in '94?
And I was.
It's alright. That's okay.
And I was 12 years old at that time.
So I was only 6 years older than you. Oh, that's such a special memory. Wait, did you watch it at home?
At home.
Thank you so much. This means the world to me. Come up here and give me a hug.
I'm really, I don't have words to say.
Come here and give me a hug.
Come, this is your moment. Wow, that's so beautiful.
Oh, that was very, very special, ladies and gentlemen.
Wow.
इतना अपनापन था उसमें. Thank you so much.
Sushmita ma'am,
जी.
again a great fan of yours. Your lead and obviously Arya has been a great inspiration. So a simple question: what would be the next series that you would like to be watching? Next project of yours?
Very simple question.
We would like to see you again.
This is my. हम बोलते हैं हमारी इंडस्ट्री में लंबी रेस का घोड़ा. कुछ लोग पीक पे पहुंचते हैं, उनका करियर खत्म हो जाता है. I have an audience, I can do my job. So, little secret, I'm about to announce a production company and you'll be seeing a lot of stuff that we produce with me acting in it as well. So wait for it, wait for it, wait for it.
You know?
हाँ जी? For anyone who asks me a question gets to come up and see me. Simple.
But no more hugs, huh? I'm the only one getting any more hugs.
I think I saw you in Tamil movie Ratchanan. Nagarjuna.
Wow, I must tell you a secret you can't tell anyone, huh, people? Rakshigan was actually my first movie.
I know.
Not
I know that, yes.
Like 10 seconds to shoot your question. Go ahead.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for having me this evening, be a part of this wonderful lot of members of the Dell family, who, by the way, I know for a very long time. So, ladies and gentlemen, अर्ज किया है, इरशाद बोलते हैं, इरशाद, people, okay, we'll do this again, because that ये वाला काट देना, हाँ? अर्ज किया है, ये दुनिया गम तो देती है, क्या बात है? ये दुनिया गम तो देती है, शरीके गम नहीं होती। किसी के दूर जाने से मोहब्बत कम नहीं होती।